In this week's episode, we have come to an award-winning adventure park called Enchanted Adventure, where we will get to explore a real-life maze. That's right, a real-life garden hedge maze. The purpose of this outdoor maze is to challenge us to find a way of passing through and escaping. A maze is like a fun puzzle with lots of twists and turns. The goal is to find a way out, which means sometimes going the wrong way, retracing your steps and trying different paths until you find the one that will lead you out. A maze consists of a collection of paths, with some that are dead ends and others that will help you escape. Mazes aren't just fun puzzles, they are also a great brain-boosting exercise as they enhance your memory, problem-solving skills, and improve your patience and persistence.
Right, this is Kian and Rayan. I am Rayan. Lucas.
Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to get 30 seconds to run away and I'm going to try to chase you. Okay, I'm going to count. 1, 2, 1. The trick about mazes is always keep your right hand on the right side of the bush and you just keep following, and you'll get to the end. Okay, we're going to look for them now. I can see them through the bushes. 10 seconds to run. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
You get 30 seconds! I'm packing my mom trying to get Oliver, Lucas and Kian! This way. We got the laser! Kian's gonna be in. You gotta catch someone in 30 seconds! 30! Now! 1, 2, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90, 90.
As you navigate through a maze, you need to remember where you've been and which path you've already tried. This helps strengthen your memory.
Shh, they don't know that I'm here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, go!
Mazes are also a fun and relaxing activity that promotes creative thinking, as there's often more than one way to solve them.
Where are they? I think there's somewhere over there. That's definitely where they are. Right? We can do this!
One.
We can do this! Go, go, go! We've got 30 seconds! Oh, shoot! I'm in! Okay, me and Lucas are in! And we're trying to get the iron and Oliver! Should we go left 17. 18, Let's get to the tree climbing. It's so lost in the maze. Everyone found the exit, but then I could keep getting in dead ways. Done ways. I think it's good. It's quite tricky to get out, but like all of a sudden in the start, you're going to follow with your right hand to the maze, and you follow where your right hand is, and then it will eventually take you to the end of the maze.
We hope you enjoyed solving this outdoor maze with us. Make sure you try solving a maze at home, as it's a great way to exercise your brain, learn important skills, and most importantly, have fun.